Encountering the ERROR_INVALID_level on Windows 11, I'll share a fix to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solution to keep your system running smoothly. Open Windows 11's Start menu and click the Settings app that's pinned to it. Next, select the Windows Update tab. Click the Check for Updates option on that tab to download and install any available updates. Also, check for optional updates by clicking Advanced Options. Select the Optional Updates navigation option. If there are optional updates available, click the Download and Install button. First, open the System tab in Settings by pressing the Windows plus I hotkey. Click the Troubleshoot navigation option on the System tab. Then select the other Troubleshooters option shown directly below. Click the Run button for the Printer Troubleshooter. If the Printer Troubleshooter detects issues, select its Apply this Fix option. Right-click the taskbar's Start button and select the Run Shortcut option on the Win plus X menu. To open the Services window, enter this Run command and click OK, services.msc. Right-click the Printer Spooler service and select Restart. Open the Services window as outlined in the previous resolution. Right-click Print Spooler and select Stop. Click the folder taskbar icon. Then open of these folder paths in File Explorer. Press the Ctrl+A key to select all the folder's content. Then click the Delete button to clear the folder. Return to the Services window, right-click Print Spooler, and select Restart. Press the Windows key plus X keyboard shortcut and select Device Manager on the menu. Double-click the Print Queues category. Right-click the printer there and select the Uninstall Device option. Click Uninstall on the dialog box prompt. To reinstall the printer's driver, right-click the Print Queues category and select Scan for hardware changes. First, press the Windows key plus S hotkey for opening the search box. Type Control Panel in the search text and select to open that app. Then select Devices and Printers in the Control Panel. Right-click the printer you need to fix the issue for to select Remove Device. Thereafter, click the Add a Printer option. Select a printer on the Add a Device window. Press the Windows and I keys simultaneously to open the Settings app. Click the Update History option on the Windows Update tab. Then select the Uninstall Updates option. Select the KB5006674 update if you can find it listed. Then press the Uninstall button. Click Yes to confirm the selected option. Thereafter, press the Restart button on the Start menu. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.